Your dress catches window smoke, your hair takes the wind. The neighbor's radio drifts low, then fades out again. You tap out little rhythms on the rusted frame. I swear the whole back of the house learns to say your name. And the evening leans in close, like it knows your tender heart. Every broken step you climb turns the quiet